Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up screen lock on your VIVAX LED TV TV-32LE112T2. So in order to do this, we'll need to click on a menu button or a pilot. Here navigate to the lock, click on it, then system lock. Now for the first time it might ask you for a password, and by default it should be 4 times 8. Now you'll have access for your system lock, and now let's go for system lock on. Set up the password, enter old password which is 8888, and now enter new one, 1234, 1234, and right here we have a new password, and we can channel lock. So I don't have any channels now, but if you have any you can add them right here, and they'll be accessible only with a password. I'll go back, parental guidance, and here you can lock specific age for programs on this TV. So if they're above, for example, 8, they will need to enter the password, key lock, and that way you won't be able to access TV at all without this mode. And there's also hotel mode, so you can set it up for guests in a hotel, for example. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.